This video is the instruction detailing how to unbox your new Plustek eScan A150. It's quite simple to start running this scanner. When you open the box, the first thing you need to do is checking if there are 8 items inside the box: a scanner, AC adapter, quick guide, application CD-ROM, calibration sheet, cleaning cloth, and a backup pad module. After done of it, you will need to complete 2 steps. Install the paper chute and connect the scanner. First, open the panel unit by pulling the lever, and get the paper chute ready. Then, place the paper chute by aligning and inserting the tabs of paper chute into the slots of the scanner. Next, you will need to connect the scanner. Simply plug the AC adapter into the scanner's power receptor, and the other side plug into the AC power outlet. Then, take one Ethernet cable to connect between the Ethernet port at the rear of the scanner and an available port on the Ethernet hub. Now, switch on the power button from the back of the scanner. Then, you can enjoy the scanning journey with Plustek eScan A150.